Okay, it's fine here. All right, now we're on to our red osier dogwood, and we're gonna start with number 1 with rooting hormone. Oh, look at that callus. That's perfect. Okay, what a great example. So I don't want to wipe off the rooting hormone, but we can see that swelling and that nice white forming of the wound wood. That is callus. We may, get my hair out of the way here, we may have roots. Nope, we don't. It looks kind of hairy, but there's no roots happening there yet. Again, I don't want to wipe off the rooting hormone. And looking up at the top, we don't have the foliar flush happening. So we would give this a code of C for callus, and that's it, okay? But gives you a really, really good look at the callus. Red osier dogwood number 2 with rooting hormone. We definitely have F here, and here you can actually see there's a flower and leaves forming. I hope you can see that, it's really cute. But we would just label that F for flushing, okay? But it's cool for you to be able to see the differences. I'm gonna be very careful. All right. I thought this was a root, but I think it's just a strand off of the cut. So that's fine. So interesting to see that we don't really have the callus on number 2 that we did on number 1. We have roots starting. So right here is definitely a root starting. This would be up to the collector. If you labeled this roots, I would give you the marks for it. If you labeled this as no roots, I would give you the marks for that. It's so on the verge that, you know, is it fair to call it a root quite yet? And the answer to that is subjective. But for just having some variability in the experiment, I'm gonna call that an R, and we've got F. Okay, so FR would be the code that I would give to dogwood number 2 with hormone. Okay, dogwood number 3 with hormone. Here we've got the callus again. You can see it's really, really dramatic. Try and, if we can get it to focus. Just that white, nice light wood around the outside of the wound. And we've got kind of the same, nope, I thought we had the same sort of deal with roots just starting, but those pieces all come off. So definitely have C and definitely have F, because we can see again the foliage and those cute little flowers starting. So dogwood number 3 with rooting hormone would get a code of, is it FC or CF? Oh, that's not on there. I missed a code, folks. C and F can be combined. You can make your own code combinations out of those. So I apologize, but that should definitely be CF.